Well guys, here you have another video, this time from Miami Beach. This is an Amels 55 meter yacht. It's a really nice one. I never saw it before, but I think it's still here in Miami. So I hope you like the short video, and I also want to remind you that I need your support if you want me to keep bringing you this type of content. The channel is not getting views. I don't know, YouTube has done something, and in this case, you know, if I'm not getting the views, there's no way I could keep bringing you this type of content. So please, if you can, leave a comment below. Always a thumbs up, but the most important is a comment or an emoji or whatever you want to put, so that as many as we can get, then the better chance we have for the channel to succeed again. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care.